Sage makes my job easier by having a one-stop shop for all of our finances and accounting across the organization. My name is Sophia Shafiq. I am a controller at Red and White Fleet. Red and White Fleet is a family-owned business, been in the San Francisco area for over 20 years. We do boat cruises in the Bay as well as private charters and special events throughout the year. Prior to Intacct, the company was facing a myriad of issues, one of which mainly because it was an on-prem software. Only one person could be in the system at a time, and all the reports were done outside of the system in Excel. And as we all know, Excel is great, but it's also problematic when you're trying to get formulas in, calculations in, and getting actual accurate data on a day-to-day basis. I picked Sage Intacct for a few reasons. The main reason was that it was very intuitive for me as an accounting person. The ease of use was going to be easy for me to do training with staff, accounting and non-accounting staff, and the fact that it was a cloud-based system. Since moving over to Sage Intacct, our business has improved drastically. We're able to have real-time data in the system. We're able to have various levels of the organization in the system at the same time, and people can slice the information accurately and have the confidence that its integrity is intact. And it also helps me kind of manage my accounting staff so that errors are kind of at a minimum. All of this modules, all of the integrations have helped me kind of cut down close from going from about 3 weeks to about 2 weeks. And hopefully as we kind of grow as a company and I'm more familiar with the options available in the modules, hopefully cutting that down to even further to maybe like 10 days. So that is a goal for us in 2024. And as I continue learning what the system is capable of, I'm hoping to cut that down quite significantly. Sage makes my job easier by having a one-stop shop for all of our finances and accounting across the organization. It's going to kind of help you your personal life, because now I can take a vacation because I know I have a system that I can rely on, and it's a very intuitive system for people who are finance people and who are not.